Hi dear children, welcome to our basic science class. Today we are going to study our next chapter along with motion. This chapter consists of motion and different types of motion. Firstly, we want to discuss about motion. Students, do you know what is motion? Motion means it is an act of moving or changing position. So students, can you say which are the objects that do not move on the earth? Yes, I know you all are answering that non-living things like buildings, mountains, etc. are not move. But my dear students, all these objects are constantly in motion at a great speed. Can you say what is the reason behind this? Okay, let's look. You all know about solar system. Planets revolve around the sun. You are also familiar with the terms rotation and revolution. What do you mean by rotation? The rotation means the movement of Earth about its own axis. To complete one rotation, Earth takes 24 hours. Due to the rotation of Earth, the day and night occurs. At the same time, Earth revolves around the sun. And the Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. So students, which are the motions of the Earth you are familiar with? Yes, the rotation and revolution. All the objects on the Earth move along with it. This can be understood only if we view from outer space. The Earth rotates about its axis at the approximate speed of 1667 km per hour at the equatorial region. The equatorial region means the distance around the Earth at the equator. The Earth revolves around the Sun with the speed of 1,06,000 km per hour. So children, it is to realize that we are moving at a great speed even while sitting still at a place. Children, can you notice what are the movements that occur within your body? Yes, blood circulation, the heartbeat, movement of eyelids, respiration, etc. are the motions that occur in our body. Next, we are going to discuss about motion around us. Don't you feel the motion of air? Wave a piece of paper. Have you noticed the motion of air? So can you say the other instances when you have experienced the motion of air? Yes, the movement of leaves, the movement of paper while sitting on a seashore, etc. we have experienced the motion of air. Students, when does a body start moving? Yes, while applying force on it, a body starts moving. What do you mean by force? A force is a push or pull upon an object. It changes the state of rest or motion of an object or changes the direction or shape of an object. We can move objects at rest by applying force. We can also change the state of motion of a body to state of rest by applying force. We apply force to change the direction of motion or to increase or decrease the speed of motion. To move the ball at rest, to stop the motion of the moving ball, to increase the speed of moving ball, to change the direction of the moving ball, etc. For all these situations, we can apply force on the ball. Next, we are going to discuss about the types of motion. The circular motion, linear motion, rotatory motion, oscillation and vibration are the different types of motion. The first one is circular motion. The motion along a circular path is called circular motion. Draw a circle with a pencil fixed in a compass. Toy train running along a circular path. Swirling a stone tied to a rope, etc. are the examples of circular motion. Next one is the linear motion. The motion of a body along a straight line is called linear motion. Lift going up and down. Lifting water from the well. An apple falling down, etc. are the examples of linear motion. Next is rotatory motion. The movement of a body about its own axis is called rotation. Wheel of a vehicle rotating, rotation of a fan. Sharpen a pencil with a sharpener, etc. are the examples of rotatory motion. Next is oscillation. The to and fro motion of a body about a mean position is called oscillation. Motion of a swing, motion of the wiper of vehicles, motion of the pendulum of a clock, etc. are the examples of oscillation. Next one is the vibration. The fast oscillations are called vibration. Example, tap on a stretched rubber band using a finger. You can feel the vibration. Okay children, let's summarize our today's session. Today we studied about motion, force and the types of motions like circular motion, linear motion, rotatory motion, oscillation and vibration. Okay children, see you in the next class. Thank you.